Hey everyone, welcome back to my pantry reset. Today I am sharing a recipe using one of my favorite and most used pantry ingredients, brown rice. Now, my love of brown rice has definitely grown over the years now that I live in California, but it's always been a huge part of my diet. Now, I love brown rice because you can use it in bowls, stir fries, as grain cakes, and it's a major part of my favorite veggie burger. Today I am sharing a short grain brown rice porridge. Now, short grain brown rice is a little bit different than long grain brown rice, primarily in that it has more starch. That starch equates to a little bit more thickness and a little bit more stickiness to any meal you might be using short grain brown rice in. So today's porridge is helped out by some of that starchiness. To get started, measure out a half a cup of short grain brown rice. Rinse and place in a stock pot along with 2 cups of whole milk, about 2 teaspoons worth of honey, a pinch of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon or so of vanilla extract. Transfer that to the stovetop, bring to a decent simmer, cover, and let cook for about an hour over low heat. You want to see a few bubbles occasionally, but we really want to coax the cooking of the short grain brown rice. Let the rice cook, stirring occasionally for about 50 to 60 minutes until the porridge is really creamy and the rice is tender. That's it. It's a super simple porridge base. From there you can add your favorite fruits, either raw or roasted, use some citrus curd, add nuts, seeds, a little extra drizzle of sweetener, or my favorite, a little bit of heavy cream. I will also note, if you're looking to make this porridge vegan, almond milk and your favorite Also, if you're looking to make this porridge vegan, use almond milk in place of the whole milk and maple syrup in place of the honey. Be sure to check back in tomorrow for the next video in the series. Also, if you happen to make a recipe or try a tip, snap a picture and share it on Instagram with the hashtag #PantryPower. I'll be checking all month long to see what you guys are up to with your pantry ingredients, and I'll be sharing some of your creation. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking.